Hey guys, so I just got this, I got this 2 months ago and I have been testing it out and I wanted to review it for you guys in case you wanted to buy it. It is called the Oh Yeah, and I wanted to share with you what I think about it and is it different from the women's version? I think it's the perfect time to review this product because we're still at home. We want to feel comfy and this just looks so cute and very stylish, I think. It's very popular in social media right now. There's like 2 versions for it. But I got this one since I live in Texas. It's hotter, it's warmer. It's usually hot, so I just got this pair compared to the one that has like 3 straps and it's like covered. I'm gonna show a picture right here. Yeah. But before I start this video, don't forget to click subscribe and also like this video so I'll know what kind of videos you guys want to see. And yeah, so I got the kids size because it's way cheaper. It's $25 cheaper. And if you have a size, then why not get it, you know? I really like it. That's why I'm gonna be reviewing it. Well, so this one is called the Oh Yeah slides. It's like a pinkish lavender color. Got the pink, light pink color, and I got the size 6, which is the biggest size that they have for the kids. And this is real sheepskin. It's very soft. Now the difference between the women's and this one is that the women's has a higher platform. It kind of has a wedge, and this one is flatter. And I really love it. It's so comfy and it's so cute. By the way, I'm a size 9 for women's and I got a size 6. Usually if you're a woman size 6, you would be like a size 7, but since I read that Uggs run a little bit bigger, so if you're gonna be converting it, a size 9 for women will be a size 6 for kids. And I was kind of scared, to be honest, because I tried to look for someone who has a size 9 feet for women's in the review section, and the biggest women's shoe size that I found was a size 8. And I was kind of scared that my feet would be bigger than the sole of this slipper, but it actually fits just right. It was the exact length of my foot. Now, if you want to have a little bit more room for your slides, for your sandals, then I wouldn't recommend you getting it if you're a size 9 and above. So it also has a strap on the back which will keep your foot stay in place. It won't fall, which is a good thing. It has fluff everywhere except for the bottom. The bottom is kind of dirty, so yeah, just don't mind that. But the bottom of this is different from the women's one. The women's one has like a big logo here, I think, but I don't really mind the difference, really. I just really like the style, so that's why I got this. But let me just tell you about the cons for this slipper. I didn't really like that it was so close to the ground that if you step on anything dirty, if you step on anything wet, it might go on your sheepskin and it's gonna be super dirty. It's gonna be hard for you to clean. I don't really know how to clean it, but I know that there's a tutorial somewhere, or even on the Uggs website they have tutorials, but I don't like to clean it that way. I don't find it too sanitary. That's the only thing, is that it is very hard to maintain this type of slipper, but I still really like it. It's very chic, very stylish, very comfy, and a little bit expensive, but definitely worth it. I would definitely recommend. This is made in Vietnam, by the way. I would definitely recommend it. Just make sure you always keep it clean so that it won't get dirty. And yeah, that was it for this video. I will be having another Harley Quinn related video, so stay tuned for that. I'm super excited for that one. Also because Suicide Squad 2, they will have a sneak peek of the new movie, I think it's a trailer. I'm not so sure, but I'm so excited to see what Harley Quinn's outfits for that video, so I can make more videos about it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me know what you think of this slipper. Are you gonna be getting it or not? Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.